still loves them. Good girl, Delaney. Oh no. Moaning and groaning. Gotta find the right spot. And these guys are still sleeping. Early in the morning, they're getting their socialization. Dara has brought them all her toys. And you see Delaney's here, so they're up and scrambling. Dara, can you say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, hi to the camera. Talk to, where's the puppies, Dara? Puppies. Which puppy do you like?
This.
Please what? You want to look in the camera?
Go.
You're funny.
Go.
Hi, Dara. Dara, where the puppies?
Puppy go.
Where'd the puppies go? Over here? There's the puppies. Oh, who's playing in their bed? How fun, huh? Oh, look at that. Crazy dog. Look at Charlie play. He's having so much fun.
Puppy.
You want that puppy right there?
Yeah.
Charlie and Tivy. The two little ones. And the bad ones over here. Gussie and... Surely that's not Jack growling, is it? Oh, Turbo's got your tail. Whoa, puppies. Hi, puppies. Okay, here we go. We've changed places. Careful, Dara. There you go, Barb. There's your puppy torture. We don't need to, because Dara does it. Good girl, she says. Whistle for the puppies. Here he comes, Dara, look. Oh, honey. Put him in his bed. Isn't that lovely?
Go, puppy. Go.
Who you got? Say hi, puppy. Careful, Dara. Alright, that was almost a drop on the head. I had to stop, but Gussie made it safely to the bed. Okay, here's Delaney doing a little puppy torture herself. She bites their heads. And Dara's got Turbo. Puts him back in the box where he belongs. Okay, and back to Delaney. Chewing on ears. Making the baby cry. Dara, get out of there. There's all the way in the crate with the puppies. It's time to get her out. They all ate in the pit. First time they each had their own bowl, not that you would know, because they're going to help themselves to everybody else's. Little Tivy thinks that it's easier to eat it off the floor. You can kind of get a feel for size differences. There's Turbo and Jack. I'll try and get right over them. Alright, they want my batteries.